iPhone volume button's not working? Fix it fast. 1. Check sound settings. For this, open the Settings app on your device. Next, scroll down and click on Sounds and Haptics. Turn Change with buttons off. Make sure volume isn't limited. If this doesn't work, then try. 2. Test the volume buttons in a different app. Open a media app like Music, YouTube, Spotify, Apple TV, or Safari. Start playing audio or video and make sure sound is actively playing. Next, press the volume up or down buttons. Watch for the volume slider on the screen. Listen for changes in sound level. Try more than one app. Test in at least 2 different apps to rule out an app-specific issue. If this method doesn't work, then try. 3. Restart your iPhone. Now swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Next, press and hold the power icon. After that, slide to power off. Now wait a few minutes, then turn it back on. If this step doesn't work, then try. 4. Update iOS. Go to the Settings app, scroll and click on General. Now, select Software Update. Make sure you are updated to the latest version. If this doesn't work, then try. 5. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app, scroll and click on General. Now, scroll to the bottom, then tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, select the Reset option. After that, tap on Reset all settings. It will prompt you to enter the screen time passcode. Type it in the respective block. A pop-up will appear. Tap on Reset all settings to confirm. If this doesn't work, try visiting the Apple Service Center. Till that, use Assistive Touch as the temporary solution. Open Settings, scroll and click on Accessibility. After that, select the Touch option. Next, tap on Assistive Touch. Now, turn the toggle next to the option. Here, you will see a floating button on the home screen. Click on it, and a few options will appear. Select the Device option, and then you will see the Volume Up and Volume Down options. And that's it. Like and follow for more tech tips.